Your short videos are getting views, but in your long video you have low views. Watch this video. Let me show you YouTube 2026 strategies in order for you to have views on your long video. If you go to YouTube search bar, go and type in how to get views. You get to see that we have hundreds of movies that is explaining and telling us how I'm going to upload and everything that we need to know about getting views on YouTube. But all these things I've applied them, not until I find this one strategies which I'm about to show you in this video. Just watch this video to the end. Let me show you the new YouTube 2026 strategies that you need to apply on your video in order for you to get views. It doesn't matter if your channel is new or old. If this is the first time of you watching me in this channel, Director YSB, I showed and guide you people how to generate videos on AI and also using AI videos to grow your channel. So if this is the first time of you watching me, like this video and also subscribe and join this beautiful community. Now, I'm not going to ask you to pay for anything. Go to Chrome and go to this website called USEO. Then go, when it open, choose the first one, https://useo.app. Just click on that first one. Grow and monetize your YouTube channel fast. So all what you are going to do is for us to go to these 3 lines, 1 to 3 lines, then click on that place. You are going to see title generator, keyword generator, title generator, description generator, script generator. You know, before you start a movie or anything that you want to upload on YouTube, you need to have keyword, need to have title, description, and the script that you are using to do the video. Now we know this thing already. We have been using this thing already to post on YouTube, upload on YouTube. But YouTube have changed now. They are using 2026 strategies, which we don't know how it works. So in this SEO, search engine optimization, will help you to understand how YouTube needs you to work with. For example, now we know how to post now. For example, let's use this title generator. Let me show you something. Click on this title generator, then click outside the box. It will take you to, let me click it again. Click on title generator, click outside the box. Okay, what is your topic? Now for example, now I wanted to post something on how to get views, like how to get views is my title now that I want to post. But YouTube have changed. If I post how to get views, I might not even get views on this video. So what you are going to do is that when you get to this website and click on this USEO and go to this topic, how to get views, this is the topic. So what you are going to do is for you to get title now. Click on title. This one does not work with like AI telling us this title that you are seeing now is title that will work on YouTube 2026. These are the strategies. These are the titles that will work on YouTube 2026. You can see how to get more views on YouTube fast, unlock YouTube views, the ultimate guide. You see 5 secrets to skyrocket your YouTube views, why YouTube videos aren't getting views, boost YouTube views easily, simple tricks. You can see that these are things that we need to know. You can copy any of these titles and post. And besides, apart from that, this website have let us to understand that the title of this trend is 75 out of 100, and people have already searching it up to 25 search volume. So it simply means that the competition is medium. So we can use this to get our own views, how to get more views on YouTube fast, unlock YouTube views, the ultimate. So getting this now, you want to upload your video, copy any title from here, click here to copy any title from here, go to these 3 lines again. You get to see that we have description generator. We are not asking AI to give us how to write description again. We are using this website USEO to tell us how to write description in a way YouTube 2026 will understand in order for our video to make more views. So what you are going to do is for us to click on this description generator. If we click on that description generator, all we are going to do is for us to paste this our topic that we copy on that title. When we paste that title that we copy on the other video, we head over to generate the video description. Now this website will strategize this topic and write this description in a way YouTube 2026 will understand. Now guys, this is our topic, this is our description, and you can even see that this description is even with call to action. See, this is our description. So you just copy everything. Click here to copy everything. Click on this place to copy everything and go to your description box and paste it on your long video. It will enable YouTube 2026 to understand that this video is for this, than for us to use AI, outside AI to write. It will still give you the old model, the old method that YouTube used. But now YouTube are using new method, and this website is there with them. Look at this keyword generator. Click on this keyword generator. After click on this keyword generator, click outside the box. Then let us generate keyword for this our video. How to get more views on YouTube fast. Get keyword. After editing, upload your video on YouTube. You can add this keyword to your video. How to get more views on YouTube. YouTube view fast. These are keywords that you need to copy. You can copy all, or you can select. You can just select the one that you know that it is very high for you, and leave the rest that is on yellow. This one is on yellow, is not too high, but this one on green as well. You can just select. After selecting, you click on copy selected. It will just copy the one that you just select to copy, or you copy all. Then when you upload your video, you go to keyword tag, put this one on those places. You get to see that your video will go more viral. Another one, the last one, is script generator. See this script generator. This script generator will enable you to know how to start your video. Just click on that script generator and paste in. Just click on that and paste in the title that we copy on that first one, which is how to get more views on YouTube fast. After clicking on that, click on generate videos script. It will generate the video script for you. It will show you how you are going to start this movie. It will show you how you are going to start your poem. It will show you how you are going to start your AI video. It will show you how you are going to start any kind of thing that you want to do on the YouTube. When you put the title on that script generating, let's see what we have. We have here, and the thing is even giving us in section by section. We have here, what do we have here? We have here section 1. We are starting. We start. Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to get more views on YouTube fast. If you can study this, put it on your brain, come to camera, say it exactly as they are telling you. Say it exactly, and they are putting it with hashtag. So you just copy this, put it on your notepad, study it, even if you are not saying it accordingly to what they are telling you, but at least say something pertaining to this that you are seeing. Just get saying it. After saying it, use the same title, put on the title when you want to upload. Thank you for watching this video to this end. See you when next we see. Like this video if this video worked, and also subscribe to this channel if you love what I'm showing you. I'll be coming here to be showing you a lot about YouTube and also AI, ways of handling AI and how to generate AI video. See you when next we see. Thank you. Bye bye.